wishing you a day of vibrant health and deep restorative calm. Thank you for joining our creative community today. There is a unique beauty in a jewel box garden, a place where every leaf and texture is chosen with heart. Today we're diving into the world of compact rustic retreats, where the perfectly imperfect details create a sense of timeless peace. Let's discover how to transform your small outdoor space into a storied oasis that celebrates the art of slow living. In a garden where horizontal space is at a premium, the walls become our greatest allies. Imagine a weathered palette, it's wood silvered by the sun, leaning against a brick wall. Each slat becomes a cradle for cascading ivy or bright petunias. There is an honest, rugged beauty in the raw timber that provides a perfect contrast to the soft, delicate leaves. It transforms a flat, empty boundary into a living tapestry, bringing life to eye level and making a small patio feel like a lush, enclosed forest. A narrow side yard is often treated as a mere hallway to the backyard, but it holds the potential for the most intimate of retreats. Imagine a small, mismatched wooden chair tucked into a corner, surrounded by the scent of damp earth and climbing vines. This is the hidden room of the house. It's a place for morning coffee and quiet reflection, where the closeness of the walls actually feels like a protective embrace rather than a limitation. Underfoot, The small rustic garden finds its voice in the satisfying crunch of pea gravel. This isn't a sterile, flat surface. It's a textured landscape that shifts with your weight. Bordered by irregular, reclaimed stones, a gravel area defines a space without the harshness of concrete. It invites you to walk slowly and listen to the rhythm of your own footsteps, grounding the entire garden in a sense of timeless, earthy permanence that feels ancient yet fresh. You don't need a pond to bring the music of water into your life. A small stone basin or a repurposed iron cauldron can serve as a miniature fountain. The sound of a gentle, rhythmic trickle acts as a sonic shield, masking the noise of the neighborhood and replacing it with a sense of mountain stream serenity. In a small space, the movement of water reflects the sky, adding light and life to a quiet corner and turning a simple patio into a true oasis. There is a quiet, industrial grace in the matte gray finish of a galvanized bucket or a zinc watering can. These aren't just tools. They are anchors of the farmhouse aesthetic. In a small garden, a cluster of these containers provides a rhythmic, metallic texture that balances the organic chaos of the plants. They suggest a life that is hardworking and grounded, bringing a touch of the rural countryside into even the most compact urban backyard. Imagine an old wooden painter's ladder, its rungs splattered with a history of past projects, now finding a new life in the sun. Each step becomes a shelf for terracotta pots of different sizes. This tiered approach allows you to grow a forest in the square footage of a single chair. It adds height and architectural interest, turning a vertical plane into a cascading wall of color and scent that feels gathered over time rather than bought from a store. As the light fades, the rustic garden reveals its nocturnal magic. Imagine a few wrought iron lanterns scattered on the ground or hung from low branches, their amber light flickering against the textures of the stone and wood. This isn't the harsh glare of modern security lights. It is a soft, cinematic glow that mimics the warmth of a sunset. It draws the eye to the details and makes the walls of a small yard melt into the shadows, creating a feeling of infinite, cozy space. In a small walled garden, a mirror is a piece of pure visual sorcery. Imagine an arched, distressed mirror frame hung against a fence, partially hidden by climbing roses. It reflects the greenery back at you, tricking the eye into seeing a path that doesn't end or a hidden room just beyond the ivy. It doubles the light and the sense of movement, turning a cramped footprint into a vast, airy landscape that feels like it's full of secrets. As the soft evening light catches the texture of the reclaimed wood, and our tiny sanctuaries settle into a quiet hush, we're reminded that beauty isn't measured in square footage. A small rustic oasis is a beautiful promise that no matter how loud the world gets, you always have a place to breathe. We hope these images sparked a bit of magic for your own outdoor space. Until next time, may your home always be a place of profound peace and simple natural grace.